I'm going to show you how to use the Festool guide rail in combination with the guide stop adapter to perform a variety of tasks using your OF1400 plunge router. Before we begin, always make sure you're wearing hearing and eye protection when operating power tools, and always disconnect the power from your router before making any adjustments.
I'll begin by adjusting the guide stop adapter to fit the rail. Each guide block has two set screws that reduce play and allow for smooth travel. This is a one-time adjustment. Before attaching the router, I wanted to show you two options for mounting the guide stop adapter. The first option attaches one of the guide blocks to a single rail extrusion and allows the micro adjustment dial to precisely position the router. The second option reduces the functionality of the micro adjust, but places both guide blocks on both rail extrusions for increased stability. This is my preferred way of working. After securing the bit, the router is ready to join the guide stop adapter and be placed on the rail. With the router in place, I'll lower the outrigger foot for additional support and set the plunge depth. The final step is to add dust extraction. I've marked a line on the workpiece to specify the positioning of the rabbet. The outrigger foot will support the portion of the router that extends beyond the workpiece. I'll be cutting the rabbet in two passes, and after setting the plunge depth, we'll position the bit for the first cut. I can now connect dust extraction and power and complete the first pass. After the first pass, I'll reposition the bit for the final cut. Here's a look at the finished rabbet. I've gone ahead and marked the position and the dimension of the dado that I'll be cutting. I'll position the bit just shy of my pencil mark for the first cut. I'll reposition the bit for the second cut, again just shy of the pencil mark. A test fit will verify the precision of the dado. Stopped dados have a number of uses, and if plunged all the way through the material, can create a variety of mortises. Limit stops, attached to both ends of the rail, will establish the start and stop position of each dado. A plunge cut will begin the dado. Although challenging to achieve using an edge guide or router table, angled dados with a guide rail are simple. Using the MFT's protractor head, I'll establish the angle for the dados, place the workpiece, and begin routing.